Welcome back to AuditSec Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss one of the most important concepts in modern cybersecurity and business management, GRC. GRC stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance. Many organizations invest heavily in GRC because it helps them achieve business objectives, manage risk, and comply with regulations. By the end of this video, you will understand what GRC is, why it matters, and how the three components work together. This is what we would cover in today's section. We will begin by defining GRC, then we will break down each component individually before looking at a practical example of how GRC works in an organization. GRC stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance. It is a structured approach that helps organizations align business objectives with risk management and regulatory requirements. Think of GRC as a framework that ensures organizations operate effectively, securely, and responsibly. Instead of managing governance, risk, and compliance separately, organizations integrate them into a single approach. This helps reduce duplication, improve decision-making, and strengthen accountability. Governance is about leadership and oversight. It ensures that an organization has clear objectives, policies, responsibilities, and decision-making structures. Governance answers questions such as what are we trying to achieve? Who is responsible? What policies must employees follow? For example, a company may create an information security policy that requires all employees to use multi-factor authentication. Governance establishes the role and assigns responsibility for enforcing it. The next one is risk. Risk management focuses on identifying and managing threats that could prevent the organization from achieving its objectives. Every organization faces risk, e.g., cyber attacks, data breaches, system failures, insider threats, regulatory penalties. Risk management involved identifying risk, assessing their likelihood and impact, implementing controls, and continuous monitoring them. The goal is not to eliminate all risk, but to manage risk within acceptable levels. The next one is compliance. Compliance ensures that organizations follow applicable legal, regulatory, and internal requirements. Examples include GDPR, ISO 27001, NIST framework, PCI DSS, internal company policies. Failure to comply can result in financial penalties, legal consequences, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust. Compliance activities help organizations demonstrate that they are operating responsibly and meeting required obligations. How GRC works together. Let's see how the three components work together. Governance establishes the rules. Risk management identifies threats that could affect the organization. Compliance ensures the organizations follow relevant requirements. For example, governance creates a policy requiring MFA, multi-factor authentication. Risk management identifies account compromise as a major threat. Compliance verifies that MFA controls are implemented according to policy and regulatory requirements. Together, these three functions strengthen security and business performance. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine an organization that stores customer information. Governance creates policies requiring sensitive data to be protected. Risk management identifies unauthorized access and data breaches as key risks. Compliance ensures the organization meets GDPR requirements regarding the protections of personal information. All three functions work together to protect customers and reduce business risk. Why GRC matters. Organizations that implement effective GRC programs often experience significant benefits. They make better decisions because risks are understood. They reduce the likelihood of security incidents. They improve compliance performance. They strengthen cybersecurity controls. And they build trust with customers, regulators, investors, and stakeholders. GRC is no longer optional. For many organizations, it is a critical business function. Let's summarize today's lesson. Governance focuses on leadership, policies, and accountability. Risk management focuses on identifying and managing threats. Compliance focuses on meeting legal, regulatory, and policy requirements. Together, governance, risk, and compliance form a powerful framework that helps organizations operate securely and effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notification. In the next video, we will discuss the IT audit lifecycle, where we will walk through planning, risk assessment, fieldwork, reporting, and follow-up. See you in the next video. Thank you.